Choosing the right word. Connotation and denotation. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into the world of vocabulary and word choice. We'll be focusing on an essential topic for improving your writing: understanding connotation and denotation. Ever wondered why some words just feel different even if they technically mean the same thing? Well, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why. Denotation is the literal, dictionary definition of a word. It's the primary meaning that you would find when you look up a word in the dictionary. For example, the word home in the dictionary might be defined as a place where one lives. That's its denotative meaning. Simple enough, right? Connotation, on the other hand, is the emotional or cultural associations tied to a word. It's how the word makes you feel or the nuances it carries beyond its literal meaning. Taking our earlier example, home might connote warmth, safety, and family. It's not just a place where one lives. It's a place of comfort, memories, and love. Another word, house, might have the denotation of a building for human habitation, but it lacks the emotional warmth that home carries. See the difference? Understanding the difference between connotation and denotation is crucial for effective communication. Using words with the right connotation can make your writing more impactful and relatable. Imagine writing a story where you describe a character's residence. Saying they return to their house feels different than saying they return to their home. One is merely descriptive, while the other adds an emotional layer. 1. Context is key. Think about the overall tone and mood you want to convey. A formal document might require words with neutral connotations, while a heartfelt letter can benefit from emotionally charged words. 2. Use a thesaurus thoughtfully. When searching for synonyms, don't just pick the first word you see. Consider its connotations and how it fits within your piece. 3. Read widely. The more you read, the better you'll understand the nuances of different words. Over time, you'll develop an intuition for choosing the perfect word for every situation. Words are powerful tools, and as with any tool, using them effectively requires understanding and practice. We hope this insight into connotation and denotation helps you choose just the right words for your writing endeavors. Happy writing, and see you in the next video.